Welcome to the deep dive.
Hey there.
Today we're zeroing in on those little components that solve massive installation headaches.
The hidden heroes.
Exactly. We're tackling one of AV's oldest challenges, getting power to remote video transmitters without running extra wires.
Right. And for this, we've been looking at the Blustream POC11 HDBaseT PoC injector.
PoC, power over cable.
Exactly. For any pro installer, getting power to a transmitter that's maybe 50 meters away behind a screen, that's a huge pain point.
It's a logistical nightmare.
It is. Extra cables, ugly conduits, maybe even calling in an electrician. This injector is the fix for that.
Okay, let's establish the ground rules here. We're talking about HDBaseT, which is the standard for sending uncompressed signals like 4K over a standard network cable.
Right.
But power in the video line, that sounds a lot like power over Ethernet or PoE.
It does, and that's a crucial distinction.
So why can't an installer just use a standard PoE switch for this?
You can't. PoE is standardized for network gear. PoC, or power over cable, is proprietary to HDBaseT. It's engineered to run alongside that high-speed AV signal without causing interference.
Oh, okay.
And the way the POC11 handles it is fascinating. It's an inline device.
So it just sits in the middle of the cable run.
Precisely. It sits in the path and injects the exact voltage needed to power that transmitter on the other end.
And that right there, that saves a ton of labor time.
Oh, yeah.
And maybe thousands in electrical work. You just tuck this little box away. It's what, 65 by 80 millimeters?
It's tiny. You'll never see it.
But, okay, if we're adding a power source midline, what about signal integrity?
That's the key question.
How do you make sure that beautiful 4K image doesn't just turn into, static?
Well, the technical robustness is what makes this a professional-grade component.
Okay.
It maintains that signal integrity across the full distance for these installs. Supporting runs up to 100 meters.
100 meters, that's solid.
And more importantly, it handles the data load. We're talking 18 Gbps 4K signals. Wow.
And it's compatible with HDCP 2.2.
Which is the copy protection.
Exactly. It's critical. It ensures you're not violating copyright, and it just lets that high-end content play smoothly. It's not just a spec, it's a security layer you have to have.
And I saw in the specs that there's some real versatility here for the system builder.
There is?
The selectable voltage.
The installer can choose either 12V or 24V DC.
To match whatever the device on the other end needs.
Right. All while taking in a single 24-volt DC power supply.
Right.
That kind of flexibility really simplifies things when you're on site.
And if we connect this to the bigger picture.
Well, that's when you really see its value.
Yeah.
Within that larger Blustream ecosystem.
PoC.
The ability to reliably deliver remote power enables entirely separate systems. Think about a setup with Dante audio converters or automated room control panels.
Like the HD11 CTRL for a classroom or home cinema.
Exactly. Those systems rely on the infrastructure being clean and simple. Without something like the POC11 handling power discreetly, you'd have messy power bricks everywhere. Ruins the whole aesthetic.
Completely. And that 5-year warranty also tells you this is meant to be mission-critical hardware.
So what does this all mean for you listening? The POC11 is really a strategic component.
It's the unsung hero.
Yeah. It ensures that complex, long-distance 4K video happens smoothly because it separates the signal from the electrical wiring.
It just takes the logistical nightmare of remote power completely off the table.
And that makes even really elaborate installations feel almost plug and play.
It does. And maybe the final thought here for you is this. Think about how the cost-benefit analysis changes on any large project. This tiny component, this little injector, it fundamentally changes the feasibility and the design limits of a massive project.
It's not just about what the box does.
No. The real deep dive starts when you ask, how much money did this small box save me on electrician labor? That's where its true value lies.